It's me, the Cookbook Lady. Welcome back to my kitchen, friends. As y'all saw, today I'm making a banana cake, and the recipe that I'm using is coming from this cookbook here, Round Table Recipes. So let's get to baking, and don't forget to stick around till the end to get my honest opinion and review of this recipe. To kick this recipe off, I'm creaming together a 1/4 cup of shortening and 1 1/3 cup of sugar until light and fluffy. Then in goes the eggs and vanilla. In a separate bowl, I'm combining all of my dry ingredients. I'm then adding in my dry mixture to my cream mixture gradually, but doing so by alternating with 1 cup of sour cream. The recipe instructs us to start and end with dry ingredients. Our last step is to gently fold in the mashed bananas and nuts. I didn't have pecans, so I'm using walnuts. This is getting baked in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 40 to 45 minutes. Cool the cake completely before frosting. On the topic of frosting, let's whip up the frosting for this cake. To a bowl, I'm adding in 1 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese, a 1/4 cup melted margarine, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 4 cups of powdered sugar. I'm going to beat until well combined. Alright, y'all, it has come time for the taste test. I'm so excited. Like, my mouth has been salivating for hours. The house smelled so good after this cake came out of the oven. I don't think I can wait a second longer. Here we go. I think I just might have died and gone to heaven. Right, so we've got a lot of good things going with this cake here. I don't know how y'all know I'm still getting used to this camera, but look at the crumb on this cake portion. And the frosting itself is just so smooth and creamy. It's just, ooh. It's like a double homicide in my mouth. So how exactly does this recipe measure up? Personally, I would give this recipe 4.8 stars, so pretty much 5 stars. The only thing that I think I would like to add to this recipe is just the addition of some spices like some nutmeg or some cinnamon. Other than that, this cake recipe is, oh, it is so good. From the cake texture itself to the taste of the cream cheese frosting, I love everything about this. I highly recommend that y'all give this cake recipe a try, especially if you're a fan of banana flavored things and you're kind of sick of making banana bread. If you got mushy bananas, use this recipe. You will not be sorry. Thank y'all so much for joining me on today's culinary adventure. If you did happen to like today's video, how about showing it a little bit of love by hitting that thumbs up button? And if you happen to like the vibe here on my channel, consider subscribing. I would love for you to join the family. And I post every Monday and Thursday, so make sure you turn that notification bell on. Also, what is your favorite kind of cake? I am curious to know, and perhaps one of my cookbooks might have a recipe for it. Comment down below. Until next time, y'all be safe out there and be sweet to one another. Bye, y'all!